Hello everyone. Welcome to the introductory video of Infraon SecuRA. Today, we will learn about the Infraon SecuRA tool and see how to install the tool in your network. Infraon SecuRA offers a multi-pronged approach to remote security and access. Provides a web-based unified console. Enables privileged session management and regulates access through secure channels. Some key benefits include dramatically increase IT investment (ROI), tighter security control, improve operating efficiencies, suits all enterprise environments. Infraon SecuRA is available in a free edition, which can be downloaded from our website. For recommended hardware specifications, you can refer to the FAQ or the installation guide. Infraon SecuRA offers different modes of installation including VM, KVM or Hyper-V. Let's start with the installation on VMware. Open the vSphere desktop client. Click on File, then select Deploy OVF template. Click on Browse and select the Infraon SecuRA OVF template file. Click Next and follow the on-screen process to deploy the OVF template. Once the process is complete, click on Close. Right-click on the newly created VM and power it on. Access the console and use the credentials to log into the server. Use the nmtui command, edit the connection, and change the IPv4 configuration to manual. Provide an IP address to the server and save. Once you have provided the IP address, restart the network service. After restarting the network service, run the SecuRA VM template script. The details and commands to run this will be given along with the package. When the script is executed, it will prompt for the IP address and root password. Once the correct details are entered, the installation is complete. To access the tool, open the browser and use the IP address which is given to the SecuRA VM. Use the default username and password for logging into the system. Enter the CAPTCHA shown in the image and click on Login. You will be logged into the tool. Time for a recap. In the video, we learned about the Infraon SecuRA tool, Key benefits of Infraon SecuRA tool, where to download the tool, and how to install the tool in the VMware vSphere. Thank you.